Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the background plate into the project. Place the green screen layer above the background on the timeline so keying reveals the underlying plate. Once placed, trim excess media and enable proxies or lower resolution for smoother playback. This speeds up key adjustments. If the green is uneven, add a temporary color correction to boost saturation and contrast. This makes the key cleaner when you apply the removal effect. Next, apply the appropriate chroma key, keylight in After Effects or chroma key tools in Capcut. Select the dominant green using the eyedropper, then tweak screen gain and balance to remove the main color. Once the bulk is gone, refine the matte by adjusting clip black and clip white or using choke and soften to fix edges. Add spill suppression to remove residual green on hair and reflective surfaces. You might use an edge feather or simple blur for natural integration into the background. Finish by color matching the foreground to the background. Apply curves, color balance, or a subtle LUT so light and shadow read consistently. Render a short, full-resolution test clip and inspect motion paths, hair edges, and transparency artifacts. If you see leftover green or noise, create a garbage mat to isolate clean areas, denoise the plate, or rotoscope troublesome regions frame by frame. One key troubleshooting tip: if edges flicker, generate a high-quality matte and stabilize, or feather the mask slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.